Hello everyone, I hope you are okay today. Today we will talk about the currency swap and we will learn how can we transforming liabilities under the currency swaps. So currency swaps can be used to convert liability or the asset in one currency to a liability or the asset in another currency. So again, it is an agreement to exchange specified amounts of two currencies for predetermined exchange rate at predetermined dates in the future. So let's solve a question, then we can understand how can we design a currency swap. So the logic is the same actually. We already talked about the how can we design swap under the transforming liability for the interest rate swap, or how can we transform our assets again under the interest rate swaps. Actually logic will be the same, we will follow the same steps. So okay, let's start the question. Question says that as a swap broker you are in touch with firms C and D. So for US dollar denominated loans, the annual borrowing cost is 9.5% from firm C and 8.5% for the firm D. For euro denominated loans, on the other hand, firm D can raise debt at a cost of 7.5% while a rate of 8% is quoted to firm C. So I've already written these numbers here. If firm C wants to borrow in US dollars, so firm C wants to borrow money under the US dollar, so and the firm D wants to borrow in euro, firm D wants to borrow money under the euro, illustrates how you can set up a currency swap that would look equally attractive. Okay, this information we will need this information in further steps to both of the firms and leave a 0.10 margin to your brokerage company. So our commission, this is our commission 0.10%. Okay, so what we were doing to swap, our first step actually looking at the comparative advantage, and keep in mind that this is a transforming liability for this question because we are actually borrowing the money. So let's look at the comparative advantage from C and D under the US dollar. So when I look at these ratios, I understand that so firm D to borrow money have 1% advantage. So this will be our advantage for the US dollar when we look at the firm C and the D. So why this is advantage? Why I said that this? Because everyone wants to borrow money under the lower rates. Yeah, it is sensible, right? So when I look at the euro column, euro rates for firm C and the D, so this time firm C has minus 0.5% advantage, while firm D has more advantage. Then what is our net advantage here? Actually 0.5%. 0.5 is our net advantage. So and we need to take our commission, so also we want to be happy, therefore the net actually advantage that we can use from C and D is 0.4%. So let's determine the targets. So to do that, the question says that I already underlined the equally attractive, so therefore I need to share this 0.4% as 0.2 and 0.2 for the both of the company, and let's determine our targets for firm C and the firm D. So firm C can borrow money under the US denominated loans with the 9.5%. So this time we will offer a lower rate so that firm C can be happy with our offer. 9.3, because what we have 0.2 advantage from firm C, so I just subtract the 0.2 from the 9.5%. So the logic is same. So from the firm D, if firm D wants to take loan with the euro rate, so it will be 7.5. So but we will offer a 7.5 minus 0.2%, which is the 7.3%. So these are our targets. Then let's start the beautiful part of the question, which is the designing part. So to design a swap, I already mentioned in the previous examples. So the first row will be determined by the opposite strategy for each company, and if it is a transforming liability, I will use the outer row here. Okay, so firm C wants the 9.5% US dollar, but we will offer 8% euro for firm C. Okay, so firm C, we offer to take 8% euro. So how can this firm C can find this 8% euro from us, from the swap bank? Then I am offer from this arrow of 8% euro. Okay, on the other hand, we have firm D, of course. So again, we will offer a opposite strategy, 9.5% US dollar, 9.5% US dollar, and the swap bank. So how can this firm borrow money? How can find this 8.5% USD rate? So of course that we will give as 8.5% USD. So now let's consider our targets. So firm C has inner row as plus 8% and minus 8% of euro. So now what we want to do is actually reach our target, which is the 9.3%. So, and for the firm D, we have 7.3% target. So, and this time firm D takes 8.5 and gives 8.5. Then firm D should give, this outer row will be 7.3% as euro, and for the firm C it should be for USD dollars. So then let's talk what about us, what about her as a swap bank, as a brokerage company. So we have 8% euro and 7.3. So from this side we have minus 0.7 under the euro rates, but we took the 9.3% USD and gives 8.5% USD. So we have plus 0.8%. So at the end of the day, we took our commission as 0.1% in net final. So we are happy. Company C is happy, and company D is happy because they took loan, they borrowed the costs under that they expect. I hope you understand that. So these are the steps to design a swap. Actually, you need to follow these steps. For look at the advantage, determine the target, and design a swap. Also in the previous questions we use the same strategy. We allocate the again the competitive advantage, then determine the target after we design a swap. Again we do that. So if you follow these 3 steps, you will be comfortable to solve the questions or to design the swap. Okay, take care of yourself, see you.